Ready for silence? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones redefine peace with industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine working, traveling, or simply unwinding without ambient noise. These deliver an immersive audio experience unlike any other. Plus, with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music and podcasts will last longer than your longest day or flight. The Multipoint connection is a game changer, letting you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone without repairing. It's this seamless integration of powerful features that makes the Sony WH-1000XM5 an absolute standout in premium headphones. You're getting more than just sound. You're getting a distraction-free zone, incredible convenience, and unparalleled audio quality. If you're searching for the best noise-canceling headphones to buy right now, these are a top contender. Find the absolute best price and more details on Amazon via the link in our description below. Don't settle for less when you can experience the ultimate in wireless listening for 2025. Elevate your audio world with the Sony WH-1000XM5. Click that link and grab yours today.